It is proved that it is his land, then
Do you have a proof that it is your land?
my lord, we have been organizing for the last 50 years, my lord.
Organize in your land?
Yes, my lord.
Just go on and put 4 bamboo sticks. Next day, 2 bricks. Following day, 20 bricks, and then a tin shed, and then a concrete shed, and then the club is there.
Is that lordship, the petitioner, being the bona fide owner of the piece of land, tried to making construction over the said plot of land, and while making construction and putting the boundary wall, the private respondents making resistance to the petitioners from for making construction over the said plot. Lordship, I made application under 144 of the CRPC. Thereafter, I make one GD entry before the concerned police authority, but no steps has been taken. Day before yesterday, the cause of action is continuing in nature, and the day before yesterday, when the laborers of the petitioners went there to making construction, they were threatened by the private respondents, and moreover, the petitioners get proper sanction plan from the concerned authority.
Where is the sanction?
Lordship, I have not.
Why is it not annexed?
Lordship, then you lordship kindly allow me to file a supplementary in this regard. Lordship.
Why will it not be annexed? Let me see. Give a copy to your learned senior friend.
Lordship.
What will be the submission of the state?
Lord, your lordship kindly looks at the Lord written complaint at page 18. Allegation of Lord threatening with dire consequences. Kindly see page 18. যে সমস্ত লেবার last 3 lines of the first paragraph.
Yes. Then
we have submitted prosecution under section 107. This is the report your lordship kindly looks at, Lord.
I see one photograph at page
Lordship,
19.
by encroaching the plot of land, lordship, they are tried to organize the blood donation
We
camp.
have also inquired to it,
Such kind
and
of
we have found it out during inquiry that they have arranged a that club arranged a would arrange a blood donation camp on the land of the municipality, not on this disputed land. That is in my report. Your lordship kindly looks at.
Which one is your plot of land? Page
Lordship,
19.
construction, the boundary wall.
My lord, may I?
Lordship, the boundary wall over which the banner was
Not from in my
See the banner over the drain or something of that.
Lordship, beside the drain, the
Yes.
boundary wall, lordship.
we have inquired into it. Your lordship kindly paragraph 6 from the top last line. It is also mentioned that the private respondents are arranging a blood donation camp on the land of Ashoknagar municipality without occupying the disputed land.
No, but then government property should be safely protected.
Yes.
Somebody cannot go and just.
We do not know whether they have taken the permission from the municipality or not.
You are the police. You could have inquired.
Yes.
Now
but
the blood donation is over.
That was
that is
So right now, no issue with the blood donation. Please come.
May I, my lord?
Are you
We
there
have
for
already-
the
Yes,
private
I'm
respondent?
for the private respondent.
Yes. What is the matter?
My lord, the private respondents are the members of the club, my lord. My lord, they have been organizing puja for the last 50 years, my lord. Only it is entirely a
For the place where the petitioner now intends
yes,
to
it is in
construct.
the corner, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is directing us to evict that place. It is a corner, and we are telling that.
What right do you have to occupy that land?
My
Do
lord,
you have any
it's a
right?
portion of land, my lord. It is entirely a civil dispute, my lord.
Do you have any right to hold on to that land?
My lord, if it is proved that it is his land, then
Do you have a proof that it is your land?
my lord, we have been organizing for the last 50 years, my lord.
Organize in your land?
There, my lord, for the last
Where
50
is
years.
document that this is your land?
সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না
You do not have. You are a club. You say.
Yes, my lord.
Just go on and put 4 bamboo sticks. Next day, 2 bricks. Following day, 20 bricks, and then a tin shed, and then a concrete shed, and then the club is there. And you say you are the occupier of that land and you want to hold on to that land. This club activity, somewhere else. Come.